Right beneath the neon moon I cry, whispered words now feed a love that died. Lonely streets where shadows seem to sway, every sunset paints a shade of gray. Echoes of a melody we play, falling like confetti, dreams we made. Tears, they form a symphony of pain, raindrops drumming on my window pane. Heartbreaks rhythm plays a mournful tune, dancing with the ghosts of me and you. Broken harmony, no longer sweet, lost in every ache, every heartbeat. Secrets I confide, loneliness a song that never ends, words I wanna say like paper bends. Heartbreaks rhythm plays a mournful tune, dancing with the ghosts of me and you. Broken harmony, no longer sweet, lost in every ache, every heartbeat. Your touch lingers like a ghostly trace, memories engraved, they won't erase. Stars, they spell a story in the night, love not meant to end was shining bright. I met a spaceman in my backyard. He said his spaceship broke apart. With the wind he stole my car keys. Now he's cruising through the galaxies. My